Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Gupta and today I'm going to share my ideas on the topic setting a website for search ranking. These are the few steps you have to follow if you want to rank your website on search engine. First of all, define target audience intent on search engines. It is very crucial steps. Based on the best of your understanding, try to speculate all that you know about the audience and their behavior on search engine. Second step is to set up your site structure and pages. How should you set up your site structure and pages is explained in this video, and you must have to revisit the recording if you are not clear about it. Third step, fulfill user intent. In this step, you have to focus on understanding and fulfilling the intent of the users. Step 4. Specify your website goals. In this step, you need to identify what your website's goals are. Each website has different goals, so you have to specific to your website goal. Like what is your selling goal? What you want from your customer, you want lead generation, you want brand awareness. So in first step, we will define target audience intent on search engine. Before starting out with implementation, the search engine optimization technique for your brand, you need to understand your audience and their behavior on search engine. Just like your Google, Bing, Yahoo, this is for all. Know what your audience is searching for online, like what they are looking for. They are looking for any travel packages, travel guidelines, or any place they want to travel. The answer they want, for example, any guide, review, okay, and the term they are using. For example, what are the keyword or the phrases they are using, just like Indian travel trips or places to visit in India. The form or the content they wish to consume, just like your tutorial if they want, and if they are interested in any ebook, any guide, video. Knowing the answer of these questions will help you to connect with your audience who is searching for information related to your offering. So in this, you can target your audience. In second step, you can set up your site structure and pages. Ensure that sites user-friendly. Their URL must be user-friendly. For example, if you have an URL like SB card, then slash, then personal. In this, it directly shows you that in sbcard.com website there is a column that is personal. That is your site's URL that must be your user friendly and easy to navigate for users to improve the intention rate of the users. This will also impact how search engines are crawling and indexing the site. And these are some of the tactics. First of all, you have some relevant text like your home, contact us, menu, about, and that could be some of the pages you would like to show on your website. You have some contact detail in which you mention your email ID, your contact information, your office address, and your timings as well. Do not annoy users having pop-ups or any irrelevant content which gives bad impression to your client. Provide clear website ownership and copyright detail on the footer of every page so that it must be clear to your consumer that this is not a fake site or the content you are using is not fake. Provide clear and the deep, engaging and easy to find content to your website. This is how you can design your website on the pages. Next, avoid tricking the search engine or following such wrong practices. For example, automatically generate content is a big no for your website. Creating pages with little or no original content, because original content is must for every website or the every content you are using on your social media channels. Clocking is the practice of showing the search engine crawler different content than the visitor. For example, if you have a website name which defines any particular book, and if after opening that particular website, if your visitor is not finding that particular book or not finding any relevant content related to that book, that is known as your clocking part. Do not have hidden text and too many your resume, your content, because that must give bad impression to your visitors. Next, fulfill user intent. As an SEO professional, your job is to provide the users with the content they are looking for. For example, any information, any or transactional. For example, if they are searching for good deal on MacBook Pros, okay, based on you already published blog or the post or pages, select an intent type and a search keyword which the users actually looking for. Specify your website goal. Any goal you have like sales, lead, download, subscribe, inquiry, phone calls, you have to select your specific goal, okay, which will help you to fulfill the business goal with the SEO efforts and not the other way around. In final step, choose a category for your blog, define your end goal for the blog, create a buyer or the visitor persona for the audience, create a mind map for all the categories on which you want to create content. The keyword process for any one's subcategories, identify primary, secondary and long tail keywords for the subcategory. Submit 3 content topics based on your keyword research with the primary keyword for each topic. These are some of the ways you can follow for rank your website on search engine. Thank you so much for watching this video.